Hey, good morning, everyone. Or good afternoon, I guess. It's the afternoon. So, we got some coding to do today. Hey, Micah. Guys, today I got some viruses on my computer bad. But me and my mom killed them, so it's okay. Oh my goodness. I feel like we are dealing with enough viruses in today's world. We don't need computer viruses either, huh? It's definitely something you got to watch out for. That's why you know, you want to make sure you're only installing stuff from official places. All right. Let's get going today. We got some fun stuff to do. So let's see. I feel like it's been a while since we've touched bases. Last time we coded a turn off this cat thing here. Last time we coded a like a random game maker, right? Not a game maker, but like an idea generator. And today we're going to use that to kind of make our first game. So let's get going. Boom, there we go. Okay, so here we are on mrincorvia.com. And we are going to go to Scratch. Okay, here we are. Now we don't actually want to be in here. Go to my stuff. I don't like how it always makes a new thing. I guess that's good. See, this is like an example of how Scratch is like really for really easy and protective, you know? Like every time you open up Scratch, it creates a new document just in case you like do something, and you know, it's better to save it automatically than have to save it manually. So here's the game maker the game idea maker we made. I think I made this on, was it on an offline video? Is that why it seems strange? A computer virus is basically a program that is a bad program. Someone made it so that it will do harm to your computer, and it spreads like a virus. So like, you know, if I cough and someone breathes it in, then they will get the virus in themselves. So a computer is kind of like that. If it's a program that can spread itself. So here is our game idea maker. Maybe we'll clean this up a little bit, and well, maybe we'll just use it today. So the idea is that it starts, and then you press space bar, and then it there you go. A jungle tower defense game, you know. Cars and trucks eraser. Well, that's an easy one. So that's the idea. It's something that gives you an idea for a game. But I'm feeling like we should spiffy this up a little bit here. Right now it's just this boring text. Wonder if there is like a cool backdrop we can use here. Let's see. That's something that, well, here's like a chalkboard. Not really. Let's see what else we got. We have spotlight. I thought there was like a stage. Oh, here's theater. School. What about some kind of, like, here's the neon tunnel. I don't know. I'm not feeling any of these backgrounds right now, guys. Okay. Well, let's not worry so much about how it looks, and let's just pick one, okay? Hey, Ryer, how's it going? Okay, we're spinning the wheel. So basically the wheel just spins, right? When you click the green flag. When you press spacebar, it stops. The two variables here are going at different speeds. This one is at 0.02 and this one is at 0.05. So it says a little bit of random in there, you know? And stop. A bug tower defense game. We just did tower defense. Let's see if we can't do anything else. A Western racer. Okay, let's do a Western. A Western racer. Okay, let's do a Western racer. How are we gonna do that? Let me think. Well, first let's create a new. Actually, hold on. Let me just. I want to share this. Save this. Go to it. So here is the idea project maker. I'll put this on the Google Classroom. My Google Classroom there. Okay, I'll put this right here under the here is the idea generator. Okay. You can check that out. You can use it yourself. What's going on? We're gonna make ourselves a Western racer. So let's create a new Scratch program. Okay, so let's see. Let's see what kind of built-in sprites we have here. Do we have like cowboy? No. Do we have horse? We do. We got horse. Okay, we got horse. And what kind of racer do we want to make? All right, well, let's see. Let's take our horse and let's reduce him size a little bit here. Okay. And let's grab All right, so I'm trying to think of like, we want our horse to be able to race around a track. How do we want to do it? Got food maze. Food maze. Yeah, that's a good one. Okay, so let's trying to think about how you can drive around a track. I wonder here, let's try opening up a new sprite. Paint a new sprite. I want to know if can we paint a really big track and have the horse instead of moving. So in this game, instead of like having the horse move around, we'll just have the track move around. Make it look like the horse is in one spot. So this will be a new kind of thing for us here to try to do. So let's put our horse at 0, 0. And let's try making a track. So how are we going to do this? We're going to have just like a really big field of dirt. Or let's start off with like, yeah, dirt. So just dark brown. Okay. And let's just paint big thing like this. Okay, cool. but we want it to be big. Let's zoom out. Okay, so this might be the maximum size that we can do. It looks like it. Okay. Okay, cool. Can I make it bigger by moving this and then... Oh yeah, look at that. I can make it bigger by like... by cheating. Okay, I think we've achieved the maximum size here. Oh, no, maybe not. Okay. Then I'll put that in the middle. Can't zoom out anymore. So this is going to be a tricky thing to working with because we're only working in the window. I wonder if it would be better to draw this. Let's see. Let me see here. How scratch screen size. Here we are. It is 840 by 360. Okay. Okay. Let's go to mrincorvia.com. Let's go to links. I'm going to go to our image editor here. Let's go to create a new. We're going to do, what is it? By the one 360. Yeah, okay. So 360, 270. Not 720. Sorry, dyslexia. Okay. There we go. Here's what we're going to do is we're going to make a big background here. Double the size of the screen. So let's, and it'll be easier to paint this way. Let's grab a dark brown. Here we go. And now let us be like, pen. Hold on. Okay. Lighter dirt. This is turning into like an art class here. Okay. I don't know if that's big enough. You know what? Maybe we need to double this even. So 270. Okay. There we go. Even bigger. Okay, now let's draw a track on the inside. Up there. Why can't I draw down there? Oh, what's going on here? Why can I only draw right there? Okay, that was weird. Okay. Let's increase this. Draw a track. Okay, let's just like leave that for now. Let's save this. Track 1. Okay, now let's go to Scratch. And let's import. One second. There it is. Okay. Like losing my mouse here. Problem. There it is. Okay. Sorry, I don't know what happened there. Okay, so let's like import. Nope. Import custom track one. Okay, here it is, but it's tiny. We wanted it to be huge. Vector. Not like kind of working. I mean, this is what we would have done the other way. Like, it didn't import it at the right size, so there's our track. I think that we're just going to be better off doing it the other way, guys. This way. Or maybe not. Weak. Okay, convert to vector. Real big. Real big. Drag. Real big. Wonder, okay, wait. Maybe there's a better way to do this. And that would be like to just increase its size using the thing. So let's just like snap it in place. Like do this. Let's like leave it perfectly sized. And then what we could do is 0, 0. Now we're going to just change the size using this. So let's say it is instead of 100 times bigger, let's make it 500 times bigger. No, it caps out at 100, like 1,000. Okay. That is not back to 100. So what I'm trying to do is we're going to try to have, instead of moving the horse around the track, we're going to slide the track around to make it look like the track is bigger than it really is. Got it? And I've never done anything like that before. That's why it's taking so long for me to like figure out what Scratch can and cannot do. Okay, so that's better, right? This middle. Okay, cool, cool. And we want this horse to be more on top. So let's do I clicked, go to front layer. There we go. There's our horse. Oh, where did it? Lost my chat too. There you go. Okay. Okay, so now we got this track, right? Let's do a thing where we just do we'll do our basic arrow keys for now. Okay, when move, point in a direction. Okay. Oh, okay. Definitely want to make sure that no rotation. Cool. Okay. Duplicate this. Down arrow. All right, let's just start there. So let's grab green flag. Go here. Start point. And duplicate. Do right arrow. Duplicate and do. Okay, so here we go. Now we got a track. Oh, and it's reversed. Of course. Okay, so we got to reverse these. So this is up is down, down is up, right is left, left is right. Okay, here we go. Yeah, see, now it feels like I am moving my horse around the track, see? So, I mean, obviously we don't want to use these arrow keys because you see how messy it is? But we're just testing it out. You get it? That's pretty neat, huh? There's lots we can do to fix that. But it's a start. And that's neat. And let's see, if we just go all the way up, see how we run into. So let's see. We want to do, I mean, we can put limits on it too. That's just that's like, that's neat, you know? It's neat we got that to go. Okay, so that's a thing. I think we're going to want to like, we're going to want to do something besides move 10 steps. We want smoother. Hey, Ryer, what's up? Do you like my background scrolly thing? I got pencil stabbed. Don't get pencil stabbed. Okay. Horse. No, we're going to call this Western Racer. Yeah, it is pretty cool. I need to look at some of my previous work here for a second. So let's go to my stuff. I want to look at Space Battle. How did I do more smooth scrolling here? Okay, when up arrow pressed, change the Y position. Point in direction. Oh, if key pressed, point in direction, move steps. Okay, so I'm using move steps, but I'm doing when key pressed rather than when I'm using an if statement rather than move steps. So let's go back to Western Racer. How's your zombie game going? I want to see your zombie game. Okay. So we can do a big giant. Let's still be our last thing we do today. So instead of having all this stuff, we're going to grab a forever, and we're going to grab an if, and we're going to do if down arrow is pressed, then point in direction up, because it's reversed, and move 10 steps. Let's give that a try. Gotta hit go. Yeah, okay. We got it. And duplicate this, and we'll do up arrow, point down, duplicate this, right arrow, point to the left, and duplicate that. Left arrow points up. Now, did you see how it was really important that I was like, oh, I did this in a previous work, and I'm going to go look at the work that I did so that I can remember how to do it this time. I'm copying myself. There you go. Look how much smoother it is now. We can roll around this track. Now, we're probably going to want to paint a better track, but there we go. In fact, we can do this thing with the left and right now, where we can, here, let's go to our horse, and we can rename this horse right. This one, or, oh, get rid of this. Duplicate, and we'll call this horse left. We'll flip him horizontally. Now, when we go to our code, we can say if left arrow key pressed, go to costume. Oh, not this one. This is the one we want. Okay, so we got to build one over here. Maybe we can just use these. No, yeah, maybe we can just use these guys. Let's see. If right arrow key pressed, we horse left. And if left arrow key pressed, it's gonna be horse right. Everything's like flipped. All right, let's give that a try. Oh, it is not flipped apparently. Because the horse is going in the direction. There we go. Round. Yeah, see, look at that. That's neat. We've made ourselves a track here. Super fun. Okay. Yeah, we're going to, yeah, well, I can't wait to see it. Those are some cool zombies. We should have another game jam pretty soon. Okay, so, I mean, like, here I got this cool game that I'm working on now. This horse race. I feel like that tower defense game was really hard. I guess I could not give up on it and keep working on it. But this horse race looks like it could be pretty promising. Boy. All right, guys. That's it for today. We did this was our first time spinning the random wheel of what kind of game are we going to code today. And it was fun. You know, I'm sure if you came up with like Western Racer, you would have maybe created a different kind of game. And that's fine. It's not supposed to be like this is specifically the game you want to do. It's just like, oh, that's an idea I can do, and that's what I'm going to go after. You know, we just want you to like, it's a way of like getting the creative juices going. Yep. Bye, Micah. Good to see you. I'll catch you all tomorrow. All right. Remember, like and subscribe. Remember that you are important, and to stay hydrated. Water is delicious. Bye, guys.